like how we can install the R. So what you need to do, you have to go to download R. Okay, so you will get the very first website for R, that is showing you the available software. That is, you can go ahead with R 4.3.3. You can click on it and it will get downloaded. If you want, you can go ahead with the FAQs about the R. So as it will get downloaded, we can go ahead for the installation. You can install it. It will ask like whether you want to create the desktop icon, quick launch shortcut, and the other things. And then the installation will get completed. Okay, so that is how we can install the R language software. So we can see in the start menu, we'll have this R. I have two versions, like 4.2.0, and now which I have installed new one version, that is 4.3.3. If you will click, this window will appear. Okay, you have the different like we have file in which we can go ahead with source R code, new script, open script, display, have edit function, view, miscellaneous, packages, windows, and the help option. So whatever, if you have any doubt, that you will get in the help section. Okay. If we paste this code, that is my string hello world, print my string. So this is case sensitive language. Here in this case, my string is the variable which you have created. With the help of this assignment operator, that is leftward assignment operator, and written the characters which you want to print, that is the hello world, and printed this my string. So output you received as a hello world. So that is how in the console itself you can write, or you can go ahead with the new script and can write code over here and go for running the selection. This is the line one single line run. Okay, so the output you could see, the output is there. And now if you want to save it, so you can save it, file save as, wherever you want to save. At desktop, if you want, you can create uh, a new folder, that is my R program, and in that you can name like my first program and save. So this code has saved over there. Okay, so console you can get here directly the output we are getting. Okay, so that is the one thing. But we generally go ahead with one more software while understanding the R. Its name is R Studio. Okay, so which runs on at the back end, it uses the R, and on front end, it uses its own display. Okay, so for that you can go ahead with R Studio, download. Okay, you will get it is not that. Huh? So here you can get directly this R and R Studio. So you can download this R Studio. That is also available freely. R is of almost 78 MB, and R Studio it is of almost 206 MB. We can install that R, like the setup is loading, the verifier is installed. Need to click on next, uh, and install. So it will get installed. It will ask for you the few things. So because I was having the older version, it will get uninstalled first, and then it will go for installation. Okay, Okay, if you are running it in a online R compiler, you have to go ahead with www.mycompiler.io. Here, if I have placed this as small and try to run it, the error gets generated. So what we understood from this error, like this is a case sensitive language. Okay, so here in place of my string, you can create variable also. You can write a variable. So here also you need to write variable and run the code. So now hello world gets printed. So that is how in online R compiler also, by using this cloud platform, you can run it directly. But necessary condition is that you require the internet connection for it. Otherwise, if you have installed, downloaded R and R Studio, you can run it in local environment, that is in your PC or laptop. Okay.